Hi learners, welcome to today's lesson. Last time we talked about commission. Today we are going to go further on the topic of money, subtopic hire purchase. Please welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about hire purchase, a method of buying goods on credit whereby expensive items are bought on credit through a method known as hire purchase, whereby the buyer and the seller comes to an agreement on how the item will be paid for a period of time. There is an initial down payment that is paid called deposit, and the balance is paid in monthly installments in a given period. The hire purchase price is always more than the cash price or the market price, and so it is not so advisable to measure on it. But because of the amount of money one has, one settle on buying goods on hire purchase, especially vehicles, land, and other expensive items. This topic, there are terms that we normally use: deposit, monthly installment, number of months, and the hire purchase price. We also compare the hire purchase price with the market price, and we also, in this topic, we shall also encounter question dealing with discount. So we are going to solve them as they come. Please welcome to the class as we continue. The first formula we are going to tackle is hire purchase price. The hire purchase price can be obtained by deposit plus total monthly installment. Deposit, as I had already mentioned, is the initial amount of money that is paid first. The total monthly installment can be obtained by multiplying the monthly installment. This is the amount of money payable at the end of every month times the number of months. The number of months may be 10, 12, depending with the item. Deposit can be obtained by the hire purchase price minus the total monthly installment. We can also be able to get monthly installment by hire purchase price minus deposit. Whatever you get, you divide by the number of months. Number of months can be obtained by hire purchase price minus deposit. Whatever you get, you divide by the monthly installment. We are going to tackle our questions as follows. Question 1. The cash price of a television set was shillings 22,500. The hire purchase price was shillings 10% more than the cash price. Nikita bought the television on hire purchase term by paying a deposit and 15 equal monthly installment of shillings 1,155. How much deposit did she pay? So we have been asked deposit. We have been given the cash price, shillings 22,500. We have been told that the hire purchase price is 10% more than cash price. In our case, the cash price is always 100%. And we are told that the hire purchase price was 10% more. So cash price being 100%, and we are told it is 10% more, we add. We get 110%. So our hire purchase price is equivalent to 110% of the cash price. So to get our hire purchase price, it will be 110%, which can be written as a fraction 110 over 100 times the cash price, which is 22,500. You simplify by cancelling where possible. the 2 zeros in the denominator cancels the 2 zeros in the numerator. Then you are left with 22, 5 times 110. You place 0 there, you multiply by 11, which gives you 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 2, 2. We multiply now with 1 in the place value of tens. So you first of all place 0 there. 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 2, 2. We add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, then you get 2. So our hire purchase price, HPP, is 24,750 shillings. The question is asking how much deposit. Deposit is equals hire purchase price minus total monthly installment. Our total monthly installment will be obtained by multiplying the number of months times the monthly installment. Total monthly installment is equals number of months times monthly installment. Our number of months is 15. Total monthly installment is 1,155 times 15. 5 times 5, 25, you write 5, carry 2. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2, 27, you write 7, carry 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 times 1, 5. You multiply by 1 in the place value of tens. You place 0 there first. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. You add 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. You write 2, color 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. You write 3, color 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Then you get 1. So our total monthly installment is 17,324. You subtract. You get the hire purchase price, which is 24,750. You subtract 17,325. 0 minus 5, impossible. Borrow 1, you are left with 4. Bring 1 to 0, becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 7, impossible. Borrow 1, you are left with 1. Bring 1 to 4, becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So our deposit is shillings 7,425. Our correct answer is D. Now we move to our next question. Our next question says the hire purchase price of a sewing machine is made up of a deposit of shillings 4,000 and 18 equal monthly installment of shillings 1,200 each. Waja was allowed a 20% discount on the hire purchase price for buying the sewing machine on cash. How much did she pay? So the terms that you are given: deposit shillings 4,000, number of months 18, monthly installment shillings 1,200, and percentage discount if paid on cash 20%. So let's get the hire purchase price. Hire purchase price is equals deposit plus total monthly installment. Our deposit is 4,000 plus our total monthly installment, which will be given by the number of months times the monthly installment. 1,200 times 18. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 2, 16. You write 6, color 1. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. We multiply by 1 in the place value of tens. We first of all place 0 there. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 1, 1. We add 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. You write 1, color 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Our total monthly installment is 21,600. Our deposit is 4,000. So you add 4,000, our deposit, to get 0, 0, 6. 1 plus 4, 5, then 2. So our hire purchase price is shillings 25,600. What is our question asking? How much money did she pay? After paying on cash, she was given 20% discount. The mark price, the cash price or the mark price is always 100%. She's given a discount of 20%. Discount is the reduction in price. So if the cash price is 100% and she's given 20% discount, you subtract 20% discount, you get 80%. So she paid 80% of the higher purchase price. We multiply 80 out of 100 times the higher purchase price, which is 25,600. Cancel where possible. The two zeros cancels each other. You are left with 256 times 80. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 6, 48. You write 8, carry 4. 8 times 5, 40. Plus 4, 44. You write 4, carry 4. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 4, 20. So, if she paid on cash, she paid shillings. Cash price was shillings 20,480. Our correct answer is B. We move to the next question, learners. I hope you'll be able to understand. Kasugu bought a radio on hire purchase term. He paid a deposit of shillings 900 and 9 equal monthly installment of shillings 300. The higher purchase price was 20% more than the marked price. What was the marked price of the radio? So we are told that deposit was shillings 900. Number of months we are told is 9. Monthly installment we are given as shillings 300. And we are told that the higher purchase price is 20% more than the marked price. Putting in mind that the marked price is always 100%. Let's get the higher purchase price. The higher purchase price is given by deposit plus total monthly installment. Our deposit is shillings 900 plus our total monthly installment, which will be given by shillings 300 as our monthly installment times the number of months 9. So 300 times 9, 0, 0, 9 times 3, 27. So our total monthly installment is 2,700 plus 900 our deposit. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 9, 6, you write 7 plus 9, 16, you write 6, color 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So our higher purchase price is shillings 3,600. We are told that the higher purchase price was 20% more than the mark price. The mark price is always 100%, 20% more. We add. So you say 100% plus 20%, which gives us 120%. 120% is equivalent to the higher purchase price. So our higher purchase price is equals 3,600. 120% is equivalent to 3,600, which is our higher purchase price. But the question is asking the market price. The market price is always 100%. So 100%, you cross multiply. You say 100 times 3,600 over 120. By 0 go, by 0 go. By 12, 1, by 12, 30. 30 times 100, you get 3,000 shillings. So our market price was shillings 3,000. Our correct answer is C. We move to the next question. Mwaburi bought a TV set on hire purchase terms. He paid a deposit of shillings 2,000. The remaining amount was paid in 5 equal monthly installments. He paid a total of shillings 9,200. How much was each monthly installment? The first thing we are given is deposit, shillings 2,000. The second value we are given is number of months, 5. The third thing is we are told that he paid a total of shillings 9,200. A total of shillings 9,200. Total represents the higher purchase price, which will be shillings 9,200. The question asks, how much was each monthly installment? Monthly installment is equals higher purchase price minus deposit or over number of months. So in our case, it is 9,200, which is our higher purchase price, minus deposit, which is 2,000 over number of months, 5. You subtract 9,200 minus 2,000, 0, 0, 2 times 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 2, 7. You get 7,000. So it will be 7,200 over 5. Use the wrong method of division to divide. 7,200 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5, 1 because of 5, remainder 2. Drop 2. 22 divided by 5, it will be 4 because of 20, remainder 2. Drop 0. 20 divided by 5 is 4 because of 20, remainder 0. You drop 0. 0 divided by 5 is equal 0. So our monthly installment is shillings 1,440. And our correct answer is C. Learners, that's how we calculate the monthly installment. The cash price of a TV set was shillings 22,000. Maria bought the TV set on hire purchase terms. She was allowed to pay deposit equal to 40% of the cash price and 8 equal monthly installment of shillings 2,800. How much more money did she pay than cash price? So we are comparing the higher purchase price with the cash price. So let us get the cash. The cash price we are told is 22,000. We are told that the deposit paid is 40% of the cash price. So it will be 40 out of 100 times 22,000. By 2 zeros go, the 2 zeros cancel each other. You are left with 220 times 40. 0, 0, 8, 8. Our deposit is 8,800 shillings. We are told that the remaining balance was paid in 8 months and each monthly installment was 2,800. So let's get the higher purchase price. Our higher purchase price is equals deposit plus total monthly installment. Our deposit we have found is 8,800 plus our total monthly installment, which will be given by 2,800 times 8. You multiply 2,800 times 8. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 2, 8 times 8, 64. You write 4, carry 6. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 6, 22. You get 22,400. So you add 22,400 plus the deposit 8,800. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 8 is 12. You write 2, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. You write 1, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So our higher purchase price is shillings 31,200. But what does the question ask? How much more did she pay than the cash price? How much more? You get the difference of the higher purchase price and the cash price. Our higher purchase price is at 1,200. Our cash price had been given as 22,000. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 2, impossible. Borrow 1, you're left with 2. Bring 1 to 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2, 9. So how much more is shillings? 9,200. And our correct answer is B. Learners, let's proceed to the next question. The cash price of cardboard is shillings 3,000. An interest of 25% is charged if the cardboard is bought on higher purchase terms. Amina bought the cardboard on higher purchase terms. She paid a deposit of 12 equal monthly installments, and each installment was shillings 262 and 50 cents. How much deposit did she pay? So cash price, we are told, is shillings 3,000. We are told that the higher purchase price, we are told that 25% interest is charged. So the higher purchase price is 25% more than the cash price. So it will be, the cash price is always 100%. So it will be 100% plus 25%, which gives us 125%. So it will be 125 out of 100 times 3,000, our cash price. The two zeros cancels each other. You are left with 125 times that. 0 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 5, 15. You write 5, carry 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 times 1, 3. So our higher purchase price is shillings 3,750. We are told that Amina bought it by paying a deposit and 12 monthly installment. Number of months are 12, and each monthly installment was shillings 262 and 50 cents. So what is the question asking? How much deposit? Deposit is equals higher purchase price minus total monthly installment. Our deposit, our higher purchase price we have found is 3,750 minus our total monthly installment, which is given by the number of months times monthly installment of shillings 262 and 50 cents. We multiply 262 and 50 cents times 12. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 5, 10. You write 0, carry 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. You multiply by 1 in the place value of tens. You place 0 first there. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 2, 2. Then we add. You get 0, 0. 6, 8, 1, and 3. We have multiplied 2 times 0, we found 0. 2 times 5, we found is 10. We load 0, carry 1. 2 times, this was supposed to be 2, sorry learners. 2 times 2 should be 4, carry 1, 5. 2 times 6, 12, you write 2. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. We continue by multiply by 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 2, 2. So we redo our addition. We get 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. You write 0, carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2, you get 5. 5 plus 6, 1. Because 11, you write 1, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So how many decimal place? 2. So our total monthly installment is shillings 3,150. So it will be 3,750 minus 3,150. You subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. 3 minus 3, 0. So the answer, our deposit was shillings 600. And our correct answer was 600. Learners, avoid those errors of transposition whereby I had written 5 instead of 2. Always make sure you write what is written in the question. The cash price, our next question says the cash price of a radio is shillings 8,000. The higher purchase price is shillings 50% more than the cash price. I mean about the radio on higher purchase by paying a deposit of shillings 2,400 and 8 equal monthly installment of shillings 800. In how many months did she pay the installment? So you have been given the cash price, 8,000 shillings. The higher purchase price is 50% more. Putting in mind that the cash price is always 100% plus 50%, which gives you 150%. So to get the higher purchase price, it is 150 out of 100 times 8,000. You cancel those two zeros with that one. You are left with 150 times 80. You multiply 0 times 8, 0. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 5, 40. You write 0, carry 4. 8 times 1, 8. Plus 4, you get 12. So our higher purchase price is shillings 12,000. We are told that he paid the item by paying the deposit of shillings 2,400 and the monthly installment was shillings 800. In how many months did she pay the installment? Monthly installment is equals higher purchase price minus deposit or of a monthly installment. Sorry, we have been asked the number of months. Number of months is equals higher purchase price minus deposit or over the monthly installment. Our higher purchase price is 12,000 minus deposit 2,400 or over our monthly installment is 800. You subtract 12,000 minus 2,000 minus 2,400. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4, impossible. Borrow 1. You are left with 1. Bring it to 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here we have 11 minus 2, 9. So it will be 9,600 or over 800. You cancel your possible by 2 0, by 2 0. By 8 1, by 8 runners, it is 12. So number of months is equals 12. And our correct answer is boy. That marks the end of our lesson. Learners, I hope with the formulas we have and the questions that you have tackled, you'll be able to do well. Thank you, and welcome to the next lesson.